With Chef Jillian Sims. She's making us a savory version of a zucchini loaf. And we got to showcase this, right, Gil?
This is
Take
unbelievable.
a look at this. Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen this large of a zucchini?
There are a lot of fairs you could enter this in,
right.
you know, and get the ribbons. You know what I mean?
Well, when they get that big, they're not really good for grilling or for, just eating. They're a little woody. The texture isn't great, but they're awesome in baked goods. You can grate them up like we did here.
Nice.
This is some grated zucchini, and you bake it, and it's lovely.
Yeah,
keeps the bread
and you
nice
can make
and
a
moist.
lot out of that pile,
You
right?
sure can, absolutely.
All right.
Exactly. You end up with a nice
beautiful.
golden loaf. And
and I'm hungry. This is gonna.
This seems fairly easy to do.
It's
though. You
very
sold me on
easy.
this.
It's very
How do you serve it? Do you serve it with
You can
butter?
serve it
What do you do?
toasted,
Wonderful.
for breakfast. You can do it. I like it with a little bit of a glass of wine before dinner.
Can I try this?
Oh, please, dive in.
This is you made the granola?
The granola is made with local honey, 6 kinds of dried fruit, almonds, pecans, pumpkin seeds.
Does it taste like Greek yogurt? All right, so to learn more about the Gráinne Baking Company, you can head to the website, grainnebaking.com, and make sure you spell Gráinne with the way. We've got 2 N's and the E at the end.
You got to try the brownie.
But I already tried the cookie.
No, you got to try the brownie.
All right, and then again, you can order the items right on the... Can you order the brownies?
Oh, my God.
Absolutely.
Really?
They come in gift boxes. Yep.
Wait,
Thank you,
why does
Jillian.
it ooze when you try to take it apart? That's so nice.
All right, it all starts with a blank canvas.
Oh, my
and
God.
what happens after that, it's all up to
Are
you.
you kidding me?
Isn't that amazing?
This is so good.
Melissa and I, we're going to show you our creations from...
Kitchen with Chef Jillian Sims. There she is. Holiday cookies are on the menu today. Stay with us. We'll be right back. We're back in the kitchen with Chef Jillian Sims. Today she's combining 2 holiday flavors, chocolate and pistachio, and putting them together for a batch of cookies. Yum, right, Steph?
They look amazing. What was the inspiration for this?
So I love chocolate and I love pistachios, and you find them combined sometimes in like European chocolates, but you don't see them in cookies a lot. So I thought it might be fun, and they're pretty festive looking. You know, you see the green on the outside, so protein with your cookie.
It's kind of fudgy.
It's fudgy in the center, but you get the nice crunch from the toasted pistachio.
And I like the saltiness too with the chocolate.
Yeah, it gives it a little bit of a different dimension.
Yes.
We're going to dress it up just a little bit with the espresso powder and some cardamom, and then put in some walnuts. So we're doing a little bit of a grown-up spin on shortbread. But the great thing is you can just leave all this stuff out and go with your basic butter, sugar, flour, and salt, and have a gorgeous shortbread that's fit for anybody.
You're making this adulting thing sound so easy, and we want to talk about